Hello learners! It's great to see you again. Today, we will explore how to find the areas of circles given its radius or diameter. To find the areas of circles, we have to use a value called pi. Pi is a constant with an infinite number of digits in its decimal representation. We approximate the value of pi to be 3.14 when rounded to 2 decimal places, or 22/7 as a fraction. Now, let's look at a circle. The radius of a circle is the distance from its center to any point on the circle. We write it as r. How can we use the radius of the circle and pi to find its area? First, we can cut the circle into many small parts like this. Then, the parts can be rearranged to form the shape as shown. What shape does it look like? It looks like a rectangle. To approximate the area of the circle, we can use the area of the rectangle, which is the length of the rectangle times its width. The length of the rectangle is approximately pi times r. The width of the rectangle is approximately r. So, the area of the circle is pi times r, which simplifies to pi r squared. Now, let's look at this circle. Can you find its area? Pause and discuss with your friends. Remember that the area of a circle is pi times its radius times its radius. Let's take the value of pi as 3.14. Next, we know that the radius of the circle is 4 centimeters. So, the area of this circle is 3.14 times 4 centimeters times 4 centimeters, which is 50.24 square centimeters. We can also use the value of pi as 22/7 to find the area of the circle. 22/7 times 4 centimeters is 352/7, which is approximately equal to 50.3 square centimeters. Now, let's look at another circle. What is the area of this circle? Observe that we are only given its diameter. Remember that the diameter of a circle is 2 times its radius. So, we can find the radius of the circle by dividing its diameter by 2. 10 meters divided by 2 is 5 meters, so the radius of the circle is 5 meters. Now that we have found the radius of the circle, we can find its area. What is the area of a circle with a radius of 5 meters? Pause and discuss with your friends. We can take the value of pi as 3.14. 3.14 times 5 meters is 78.5 square meters. So, the area of this circle is 78.5 square meters. We can also take the value of pi to be 22/7. Using pi as 22/7, the area of the circle is 22/7 times 5 meters, which gives us 78.6 square meters. So, the area of this circle is approximately 78.6 square meters. Did you get it right? Today we have learned how to find the areas of circles given its radius or diameter. Great job on completing this video. Hope to see you again.